Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split values on a cell in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a cell where I want to split values into two portions. Firstly, let's choose a color for that particular cell. Next, click on the border option and select More Borders. Here, pick any color and line style you want. You'll see two options for crossed lines on the right side. You can pick either one you prefer. Write some text in the top part of the cell. Then, press Alt and Enter at the same time, and type text for the bottom part of the cell. Then, double-click on the cell and press the backspace key before the text in the bottom part to make it line up with the crossed line. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.